Next one is undelete. Okay, what is undelete? So undelete is something which we have seen earlier while we were working with data loader. We have understood this. So usually what happens when you delete a record, okay, when you delete a record, usually it does not get deleted permanently. It goes and sits in the recycle bin. Okay. So when the record is in the recycle bin, you still have the option of undeleting the record. Okay, which is more like restoring that particular data or record. Okay, you can do that thing using your DML statements also. Of course, in recycle bin, there is on the user interface, there is an option for you to select those records and say undelete. So that is there. And you have a DML statement for doing that as well. Okay, with programming, if you want to go and do an undelete, you can do that. So, you know, this example is pretty similar to your previous example, the delete example that we saw. So just that, you know, here instead of a delete statement, we are using an undelete statement. Okay, so it is retrieving some of these records from the database, and then we are undeleting records. Small thing for us to, you know, understand here is if there is a record which is deleted and which is sitting in the recycle bin, you cannot just retrieve those records from the database simply. I mean, if you just write select ID name account where name equals this, if you write this much, then it will not retrieve records from the recycle bin. It will retrieve records from the main object. Okay, the ones which are not deleted. So this all rows is a keyword which can be used to retrieve records from recycle bin also. Correct? So all rows pretty similar to what we did with the export all in data loader. All right. So that is the thing. You define a list and then you retrieve records, including, you know, the deleted records, all rows, and then you say undelete. So it will go and undelete those records. That's what this statement is going to do. That's all we'll discuss in this video. Thanks for watching. For more videos in this series, you can look for the link in description below or visit my website. Goodbye and take care.